So this is our BLM LT8 tube laser. The beautiful thing about this machine is it's extremely versatile. It's a little bit bigger than our LT7 and a little bit smaller than the LT12 that BLM offers. So we can do up to a 9-inch circumference on this machine, and it also allows us to do dissimilar metals like aluminum instead of just carbon steel. We can do stainless. We can also do, with our step loader, a bunch of different shapes. So think angle iron, think unistrut, channel, things like that will go on the step loader. Then all the tubing goes on the bundle loader in the back of the machine. So let me show you some examples of what we cut on this. That's pretty cool. So here we have a bottle opener that we cut a spline into, which allows it to bend, which is really neat. And then we have this American flag here to show a piece of pipe that would have gone on the step loader that we were able to cut in an American flag, as well as some text on the bottom and a spring style, so it has some movement to it. Finally, we have a larger piece of rectangular tubing. Of course, we cut, the BLM logo in, but this is a really, really unique thing about this machine is that it also has a drill and tap on it. So we can do a standard drill and tap, like you see on a piece of thicker material here, or if we have, think 16 gauge material, we can do what's called flow drilling and then tap, which allows us to eliminate the need for nutserts or things like that that you would see on our other machine, the LT7. So we just talked about the step loader on the BLM LT8 tube laser. That's what you see here behind me. We're gonna process these 6 pieces of angle iron, all the parts on them, all the holes, all the slots, whatever you have, in about 30 minutes, and then we'll work our way through the rest of this bundle. You'll kind of see some of that behind me here in this finished product. We've got a mixture shipping out of angle iron here, tubing here, and even thicker wall tubing here, where we've actually put holes, slots, and beveled the edges for weld prep for the end user. So we're getting product out faster and at a higher quality for people like you who need large volume orders processed inside our shop here at Prince Service Manufacturing. So you saw me talk about the step loader on the LT8. Now we're gonna go over the bundle loader. So behind me here is the bundle loader. These arms that are gray here will actually come down and we'll put an entire bundle of square rectangular tubing onto the machine. As it raises up, these other arms will come down and push in each piece of tubing as it's called for by the machine. What this means is that we're not manually loading every single tube, and so we can process an entire bundle of tubing, large or small, in a very quick and efficient manner.